Hi everyone, Vincenzo here, bringing you another ukulele tutorial. This week, let's work on technique. If you are a beginner and you want to improve your ukulele playing, there are 3 techniques that you cannot miss. I'm talking about hammer-on, slides, and left-hand muting. Let's have a look at each one of them and let's learn some songs that use these techniques. Hammer-on allows you to play a note without plucking it, by only pressing down the fingers of your left hand. So you play a note, and then you hammer on a second one on the same string, like this. So you see, I'm playing, and then I do a hammer on without playing again. So this way you pluck once, but you get 2 notes. Now let's have a look at a simple exercise. We start with the A string open, then we hammer on fret 1, like this. Then fret 1, hammer on fret 2. Then fret 2, hammer on fret number 3. Fret 3, hammer on fret number 4. Then I do the same on the second string. Remember to do this slowly. The focus for this one is on the left hand. So for the right hand, I want to keep it simple. And so I'm just using the thumb. Now let's play the entire exercise. 3, 4. Notice how I keep all my fingers on the fretboard. By the way, do this exercise using a metronome, and remember the fingers should be like hammers, not flat. Now let's have a look at a song that uses hammer-on, Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. This is the beginning of the intro. Let's break it down. So we play fret number 7 on the 3rd string, then we have 5, hammer on 7, then 5, and then 5, hammer on 7. One more time. By the way, if I do this, it's the opposite of a hammer on, but more or less it's the same technique. This is called pull off. And anyway, let's talk about this one another time. Now let's move on to another great technique, slides. Sliding allows us to connect 2 notes very smoothly and easily. When we slide, we play a note and then we literally slide down our finger to the next one, like this. You can also slide in the opposite direction. And remember, I only pluck the first note. Having said that, let's have a look at a very simple exercise. So I play fret number 1 and I slide to fret number 2. Then I do the same across all the strings. Then I play fret number 2 and I slide to fret number 3 across all the strings. Like I said before, the focus for this is on the left hand, so I'm just using the thumb. Let's start from the top again and let's play the entire exercise now. 3, 4. Start slowly and then increase the tempo gradually. By the way, don't forget to use a metronome when doing this. Let's put slides in action with the intro from the Godfather theme. Let's break it down. So I'm sliding from fret number 6 to 8. Then I have fret number 7, 8, and then I slide from 8 to 9, 8, and then 8 again, and I slide back to 4, like this. Repeat the same lick, but the last time we slide back to 3 rather than 4. One more time all together. It's time for my favorite technique, left hand muting. There are different ways of calling this one, and searching online I found the term monostrumming to be quite a popular one. Nevertheless, I'm talking about strumming all the strings of the ukulele but only playing one or two notes, like this. I'm using my thumb to mute the G string. And then, with the finger that is fretting, I'm muting all the other strings. Of course, I'm helping myself with the other fingers available, depending on what I'm playing. This technique is great to add groove to single lines. And it also works very well with double stops. Of course, it's a little bit trickier to apply this technique on the G string, but it's definitely doable. So, now let's have a look at a very simple exercise. So I start from fret number 5, then I play 6, 7, 8, and I move on to the next string. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm strumming down and up, down and up. One more time from the top, this time until the end. 3, 4. As always, start slowly and then increase the tempo gradually. Of course, the first string and the last one are the hardest to play properly for this exercise. For this technique, the right hand is also very important. It might take you a while to get there, but slowly you will be able to play things like... Let's now put this into action. So we take a simple melody, for example, We Will Rock You, but we make it more groovy using this new technique we just learned. And so it becomes this, 3, 4. Let's break it down. We start with fret number 3 on the second string, and I strum down. Then fret number 2, 4, 2, 4, 4. I strum up for the last 4. One more time, 3, 4. If you've reached this far, well done. You learned 3 techniques that will help improve your ukulele playing. Of course, this was only an introduction. I could have done an entire tutorial on each one of these techniques. On my Patreon page, you can find all the tabs of the exercises and the musical examples that I've showed you today. By the way, let me know in the comments if you would like to learn more about technique. Sometimes I run workshops where we work on specific techniques, for example fingerstyle or hammer-ons and pull-offs. If you would like to join, make sure to follow my Instagram page. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Ciao!